ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ BBSM ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಣಿಕೆರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಟ್ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ನಗರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. Welcoming again to the BBSM Academy School of Arts and Science. This is Mr. Veerabhadraya Damaya, Gopanahadi. This is Mr. Veerabhadraya Damaya after retired from the service, serving from the esteemed Department, Geological Survey of India. Well friends, organization of the plant, the mainly consists of the fruit system and the root system. As you know that this is above the ground level the plant is shoot system, and below the ground level the root system. Characteristics of the stem: it grows from the plumule. The plumule is the part of the seed embryo that develops into the shoot system. And the bud present at the tip of the stem is called terminal bud or apical bud, which helps in the increase of length. Apical bud helps in lengthwise growth and increase the height of the plant. Buds present in the axil of the leaves. Well, the stem may be soft and green, as most herbs are hard and woody, as in shrubs and trees. This is the shoot system in the plant. It consists of the mainly stem, leaves, branches of the leaves, branches of the plant, and buds of the plant, then flowers, then the fruits, and further it consists of seeds. Modification of stem. You know friends, the stem is modified into the food storage. Underground stem stores food and help in propagation. Rhizomes, ginger, tuber, etc. Potato, onion, and its support tendrils, which are called lateral appendiges, either bud or other stem parts, help in supporting plants. Passiflora, ground are examples of this type of modification. Protection: thorns are the modified hard woody axillary buds or terminal buds. Next, photosynthesis. Young green stem performs photosynthesis. Then phylloclades, they are xerophytic adaptations to check transpiration rate. And what are the important characteristics of leaf? Leaf is a flattered green structure of the plant in the shoot system. It is borne on the node of the stem and branches of the base axillary bud and its axil. It is mostly green in color due to the presence of pigment called chlorophyll. Types of leaves. Do you know friends, simple leaf and compound leaf? Simple leaf are having a single and undivided lamina called simple leaf. Example: mango, shoe flower, guava, and money plant. Compound leaf, a leaf, the lamina is divided into a number of smaller units called leaflets. These leaflets are borne on a common stalk called the rachins. There is a bud in the axil of the compound leaf, but there are no buds in the axils of leaflets. Rose, gram, tamarind, and neem are a few examples of compound leaves. The arrangement of leaves on the stem is called phyllotaxy. Basically, three types of leaf arrangement are commonly found. They are called alternate, opposite, and whorled phyllotaxy. Arrangement of leaves: an alternate arrangement, opposite arrangement. As I told you, it's about arrangement. Types of venation in leaf: reticular venation, then parallel venation. So parallel venation and reticular venation are quite different to each other. Process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, leaves absorb carbon dioxide from air, water from the soil, and with the help of chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight produce sugar. This process is called photosynthesis. It is the food factory. Transpiration. A plant absorbs large quantities of water from the soil but utilizes only a very small part of it. The excess of water is given out by the plant through the stomata on the leaves in the form of water vapors. This process is known as transpiration. Then coming to the storage, a few leaves are modified and help storage of food. Example, cabbage, spinach, etc. Well, function of the leaf, photosynthesis, transpiration and storage. Sunlight, oxygen, sugars, waters, minerals are the important factors participating in the function of the leaf. Modification of leaf. Support leaf tendrils, protection leaf spines, storage of food scale leaves, and vegetable propagation and insect catching leaves. Example, Venus flytrap and bladderwort. The flower. Parts of the typical flower: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynosium, etc. These are the important parts of typical flower. Functions of flowers helps in sexual reproduction. They produce male and female gametes. They attract pollinators by the bright color and nectar or aroma, which helps in the transfer of pollen grains and eventually fertilization. The fruit is an important part in the shoot system. It is a fertilized product and ripened ovary. A fruit generally consists of two parts, namely the fruit wall, pericarp, and the seeds. If the fruit wall, which develops from the ovary ball, is dry and thin, it is called a dry fruit. Example, pea and gram. And functions of the fruit. Fruit protects the seeds from the injury, animals, and other unfavorable climatic conditions. That means seeds are protected by fruit. It also helps in the dispersal of seeds. A seed is a mature and fertilized ovule. A seed consists of an embryo and one or two cotyledons and seed coat. So, my dear friend, types of seed: monocotyledons and dicotyledons.